say we have a geometry question. In this case, we have a circle with a radius of 3 centimeters. So the radius is the distance from the center of the circle to the perimeter. And we want to know the circumference, which is the distance around the perimeter of the circle, and the area, which is this real estate inside the circle. Okay, we're given these two equations. The circumference is 2 pi r, and the area of a circle is pi r squared. You may know that off by heart, you may not know that, but that's what it is. Pi, of course, is the irrational number, off the top of my head, 3.14159265336. I think my memory goes there, but it's the irrational number that goes on there forever, often just shortened to 3.14. It is a number and it is a constant. Okay, so the coefficient, the numbers in front of the variable, is going to be 2 pi. 2 is a number, pi is a number, two numbers multiplied is a number. Okay, so the circumference here is not known. The radius is known. It's up here, it's 3. Now, this is no longer a geometry question. This is now an algebra question. And our answer is going to be 2 times pi. And now we substitute r off, bring the 3 on, and it's going to be 6 pi. What that is off the top of my head, let's use the calculator to solve that. 6 times pi, 18.85. So roughly 18.85. 18.85 what? Elephants, Big Macs, chocolate milkshakes, 18.85 centimeters. Okay, that's done. The area then. We know what r is. We have r. We're going to substitute off the r and bring in 3 in its place. So the area is going to be pi times 3 squared. So pi times 9, which is 9 pi, which is about, if we grab the calculator, 9 times pi, 28.274. What? Centimeters squared. Okay, so just to recap what we did. We knew, what do we know? Well, we know that the radius is 3. So in our equations, wherever we see r, we can substitute in 3. We know what pi is. I don't expect you to memorize pi. And we're given these two equations. This is the circumference, the length along the outside of the circle all the way around, and the area, the real estate inside the circle, and we're given that equation. So to find the circumference, 2 pi r, but we know that r is 3, so we substituted in the 3 there. We put it in the calculator, got that. To find the area, well, we know that the area is that equation there, pi times r squared, which is pi times r. So pi times r squared, but we know that r is 3. So now we square the 3. 3 squared is 9. Pi times 9 is 9 pi, and I put it in the calculator, and I got that. So here we see substitution solving a geometry problem.